Hey everybody, it's Mike White. I know I've been really quiet for the last 3 months. I've been working on a project actually since 420, so it is 7:29 as I'm making this, so it's been 3 months and 9 days. And I'm making this video for several purposes. One, mostly for my team. I need my team to know what I'm doing, why I'm not there helping get the orders out, why I'm not helping run the business, is I'm trying to work on the future and I'm building something that's going to make all of our lives better, I hope. I'm also making this video for Michelle. Michelle's going to like the part that I have to show you here because I just finished the assets library the most. So Michelle and our digital team, I'm making this video for you. And I'm making this video for Kate Ross. It's the first look at the new website that I'm building, the new back end. And I'm building something that's not just for us at 143 Vinyl, but it's for anybody. It's something that we hope to distribute, hope to sell. It's an application called Merch Studio. So let me get right into it. So this is the dashboard. We're in the admin side of the website. And this is going to be where you see all your recent sales. I haven't worked on this at all. This is like the opening page, the home page for the admin. And the first section we have here is our collection. And collection is like what we used to call categories. So sections are categories, and then there's items. We call them items instead of products. And then we've got assets. So I'll just quickly show you the sections or the categories. These are really nice. You can reorganize them just like that. You can edit them. You can add images. I recently just built this WYSIWYG editor. So that's how you edit your sections, or categories is what we traditionally call them. Items I'm not finished with yet, so I'm not going to show you that. Assets is what I've just finished, and this is the part that I'm excited about and the part that Michelle is going to love. So these assets are twofold. They're one for somebody like Kate that works on our marketing team to be able to use to edit product descriptions, category descriptions. You can add assets here and then embed them easily. I mean, the functionality is not there yet, but that's the plan. But also, this is like to take the place of the library that we have, currently on the 143 site. So let's just get started. I'm going to add a new asset. All right, so you would put the name of it, like Hope Penguin. That's the one I'm going to add. And you can write a description, and you can put in a collection. So we'll just call this Penguins, and it makes the collection automatically. It's an image, and I'm just going to choose this penguin, and I'll hit open. Oh, it's too large. I knew that was going to happen. I had a setup for that. So I'm going to show you. You go over here to the Nexus, and then you go to the Images tab, and you can actually set, look what it's doing here. It's actually processing as JPEG or PNG and setting the compression level. So there's no more saving for web out of Photoshop. It's pretty incredible. I'm going to change the max upload size to 15 and save that. So it was set at 5. And we should see that take advantage immediately. So here we go. Haven't reloaded the page or anything. I'm going to open. Darn it, I'm going to have to reload the page. All right, so that's not dynamic. That's okay. All right, so here we're going to try again. Hope Penguin. Did you see how fast that page loaded? I'm so proud of this. I've been working so hard on this. All right, we're going to put this in Penguins. And we're going to choose the Hope Penguin. Open. Now it takes it. And in that moment, it actually uploaded it to the server that fast, okay? It's only going to let me put one image on here, but in other sections, this same interface will allow you to put multiple images, like say for a product or a category. All right, we're going to save it. So it's processing. It spins for a second here because it's actually making 7 copies of the image. It makes them all, let's see, it made 1, 2, 3, so 5 copies of the image. It makes them at all these different sizes automatically. Okay, and then it put it in a category called Penguins. And now we can look at our asset library by collection. This is all just for the admin side. By folder, so it created this folder, 2025-07, and by type, so it's an image type, so it's the only one in there, okay? All right, and so now we're going to add another type of asset. Let's try this. Let's see what we have here. So here's an SVG. Okay, so we're just going to choose shape. And I'm going to call it logo. Logo, just putting something there to hold on to it. I'm going to call it logos. And then I'm going to add the 143 Vinyl logo. I'm going to hit save and see it created the section and it made the logo. All right, and the last little bit of this demonstration is just to show you how to do a font. So we're going to do our Howdy Monkey font that I have downloaded. And then put the description. I would fill this in more. I'm just doing this quick for you guys. I'm going to put it in a fonts collection. Choose a font. Choose the font file. There's the font. Open it. Generate the thumbnail. Hallelujah. Makes the thumbnail. And then save the asset. And see, I've got my font section now. And it's got a little pangram. That's where all the different letters of the alphabet are used to demonstrate the font. Okay, and I've got one more. I'm just so proud to share this with you guys. I'll add another font. So we're going to call this Sassy Font. I don't know what the name of it is. And we're going to put it in fonts. It's a font. And we're going to use a URL so we don't have the actual font downloaded. It's just coming from like Google Fonts. We're going to generate the thumbnail. It's going to do it in that font. And we're going to save it. Oh my gosh. And see, that's why I'm working on it. So that didn't work. It's requiring an asset file and it shouldn't be. So that's a problem. Well, that's why I'm still working on it. Hey, I hope this is exciting for you guys. I'm hoping this takes us to a whole new level and lets us empower, just tons of merchants out there that want to use this software. It is going to be the best e-commerce software in the world for like DTF transfers, t-shirt sales, any kind of merch. And that's why it's called Merch Studio. Hey, thank you guys. I appreciate y'all so much and I appreciate what you're doing. I miss you. Talk to you soon.